Okay, welcome back guys. Now I'm gonna talk to you about a historical monument in the old city of Marrakech, which is the Saadian tombs. Well, Saadian tombs is an old cemetery of 66 members of the Saadian dynasty. And a lot of tourists come to visit this cemetery and take photos of the old tombs and discover the magic of the age of the Saadian civilization. And to visit the Saadian tombs, it's so easy because this cemetery is located next to Jamal Fna in a place called Kasbah. You can get there in just about 10 minutes from Jamal Fna. And to come in, you have to pay a 10 Moroccan dirhams, about $1, as you can see in this photo that I took next to the door of the cemetery. And remember that this cemetery opens at 9 a.m. until 4:45 p.m.